It's where the poo fits.
Why, hello there, my weaklings. I am Steve. I believe you have noticed that my voice is text-to-speech. In my last video, in the previous video, my voice sounds much more clear.
Get on with it!
People have requested me to watch this video called Sauce, Parts 1,
Something's got to give!
2,
Something's got to give!
3.
Something's got to give!
Anyways. Hey, is that floating? Is that a floating Sonic? I'm chicken. Psych! That's the wrong number! Hey, since when were there human skulls in the Sonic universe? Since when were there human skulls in the Sonic universe? Yes!
Huh?
That scared the crap out of me!
It's a challenge to get me scared.
I got scared by myself!
Little did he realize that he was gonna be called a chicken for the rest of his life because of how cowardly he gets to jump scares in the future.
I did that.
You did that.
And I'll do Licky licky. Well, the eyelid, to be exact. Yay! Yeah!
This should be a meme. What is this?
I am.
I cannot hold it in anymore. I just wanna, you know.
Sonic.exe. This was made for my 12-year anniversary of my existence. God, I feel old. Back with all my chicken glory. You're welcome. That was not. I am scared. I am the chicken. Not an imposter. Not at all. Oh. It's hide and seek.
12 seconds later.
Tag. Slip up and block up. Right, fluff, shush, says, fluff, eyes. Stop it with the fluff, shush, says.
I'll have you know jump scares get me.